kicking off the year. No interest rate hike from the Fed at the September meeting. We'll find out before the end of the year. Janet Yellen, the head of the Fed, has said that she wants to raise interest rates by the end of the year. And then we had a terrible jobs report that came out Friday, and now it's looking more and more like there'll be no rate hike in 2015. This is the S&P on the weekly chart, and you can see we had that long trend line support on the weekly chart that was finally broken. We broke down, retested the bottom of the trend line, rolled over again. And if we look on the daily chart here, we'll see the kind of battle. If we look at it in terms of Elliott wave here, so we had the 1, the 2, the big wave 3 down, the high volume spikes here indicating that professionals are stepping in and buying at this level. The rally into the wave 4 here. I'll just redraw that here. Let me clear this off, actually. Redo it so we can start piece by piece. Okay, here's the wave 4. All right. We had the high volume spike here with the red seller's candle indicating this may be professionals stepping in and selling this. And then we said, okay, we had this low here. So this is a potential wave 4. We can project wave 5 down, which we did. Oops, let's go down wave 5 here. And we'll see where those levels come in. So here's your minimum wave 5 target. But I said right around this 1900 area, well, 1900 was an area that we'd be looking at if they pull back and kind of stop in this level. And the reason being is if we project down a wave 2 or B, we said this level here, 1900, to kind of split the level right in there, was going to be support, some Fibonacci overlapping clusters of Fib clusters, if you will, of support. And you can see they came right down to the bottom before price rallied hard there on Friday after we had that bad jobs number, and prices gapped lower and then recovered, found support. We can look at that on the daily chart to see what that looks like, or on the smaller time frame chart, so we can see what that looked like on the smaller time frame and why the market reacted the way it did. But anyway, we projected a well, here you've got some minor resistance here. This last swing high is your next daily resistance here. Your next daily support is going to come in right at this level, just above that potential wave 5 target. But on the week, back to the weekly chart, the reason this is interesting now is because you see the high volume that came in on last week. We closed with this high volume spike, indicating that maybe professionals are stepping in and buying this. And we'll see how much follow through this gets now if we continue to follow through here. And maybe the jobs report, because it was so ugly, maybe the fact that interest rates are going to remain low, maybe some QE, in the back of people's minds, really could take the market into this just above 2020, and then maybe beyond. Right, we shall see. So we've already got our target to the downside if we get our wave 5 targets down on this 1840 and then 1800, nice round number at the typical wave 5 target down here. But because we did see some maybe professional buying in last week in this wave 2 or B level here, in this wave B we'll call it, well, we can even project up wave C here, and it should come in right around this DP level here. So nice round number 2000 would be the minimum wave C target there, and then 2020 the DP that splits the minimum and typical wave C targets. Alright, so we'll see how that plays out. Again, situation setting up. If this way down the wave retest bottom was already the high spikes, indicated buying that. But we did have here of going what we thought stuck right 100 before we got levels. And then it looked like we were looking on our trading day, because this is the only chart. So the 830 out was trading, looked to get an open range out, sold out is where we opened right 15-minute point chart, 15-minute chart to resistance opens and right into this black, the average. So he's blacked out at the bottom, indicated open prices on basically for the day run. It's just like points now between them for the last 14. So there's a good area about well trades that have generated 2 with ABC wave 4 head 5 all the way even all the max wave target of the day. That big we were looking chart down the anatomy time frame. Just and next week some of the other the other marks week